After traveling around Alaska and Canada for the past 4 months, we were excited to be back home, visiting our family and enjoying winter in California. But on the Alaska trip, the Scamp got pretty messed up. Rough roads and consistent moisture wreaked havoc on poor Dusty. Plus, she got broken into soon after getting home. So now, we needed to do a few repairs before we could get back on the road after the holidays. I figured I would start this round of repairs by first fixing the window.
Oh my goodness.
When the Scamp got broken into, they broke the window thinking they could reach in and unlock the door, I'm guessing, but that's not how our lock works, at least. So since then, I added an additional lock for extra security.
Okay. So we got these. Let's write it down this wood so I don't have any paper with me. Now I just gotta put this in here. Woo! I cracked it, so alright. Maybe some tape will stop it from cracking. I don't know, but this is my only plexiglass. Just gonna cover the area. Oh, that was way too much. Now that I actually have it set up properly, I think this will be easier. I got it. This took so much longer than I thought it would too. I'm also like kind of still a little bit afraid that it's not even gonna work because it's still a little bent, the frame itself, but the glass is in there and I do need to seal it, but I'm so happy that I finished it. It's beautiful, right? Oh. I am about to go to a lumber yard to try and get the type of plywood that I'm going to use to replace the subfloor and the Scamp. I need something that's good quality, exterior grade plywood, or I saw people saying you can use marine grade, but it's like more expensive and maybe unnecessary, so that's why I'm going to go to this lumber yard. I want to talk to people who are professionals. Just a girl in a car full of plywood. It just barely fit. I'm so lucky. Guess I have to read instructions. My least favorite thing to do. Okay, let's try putting it on. Oh man. Oh yeah, that's some good air. Today I'm going to remove this first section of subfloor, and then hopefully I'm going to be able to start grinding down some of the rust on the frame. I'm going to do the tongue of the trailer also. I figure I might as well. So that's the goal for today. I'm kind of dreading cutting this out. I've never done it before, and honestly I couldn't really find that much information online, so wish me luck. I'm going to need it. have to do that for all of it. Oh man, this is gonna take a while. I realized that I'm getting fiberglass all over my hands and my clothes. Go figure, right? So I decided to put on my Breaking Bad jumpsuit. I bought this for when I do the resin work, but I'm getting little pieces of fiberglass all over my body, all over my hands. So, okay. Jesse, we need to cook. I had to. Why does this feel like really extra and dramatic, yet totally necessary? Oh, oh my god, I'm having way too much fun with this. Alright, back to work. Oh, I should put my mask on. Gotta show the final look. Okay, back to work.
Why is that so funny? Are you kidding me? It's like the dumbest thing in the world. Oh my god, I love it.
Bird or plane?
You're not that difficult of a game.
You can practice it.
He went to go find our hand sanitizer cap that we dropped. I think he found it.
They kind of look like strawberries. Something about brick houses.
Oh man, I'm so tired. Okay, here's the deal. I got the front part of the subfloor out finally. It took like 2 solid days of work. Although it is now like a week later from when I first started working on it because I fell down my aunt's stairs the other day. And I kind of got a little messed up, so I had to take a break, but I'm alright now. But now I need to start working on the frame. So I'm going to get all the rust off with the angle grinder, and then I'm going to repaint the frame with some Rust-Oleum paint.
Look at that color.
was my aunt. Great way to start this.
When I woke up this morning, I was already starting to feel burnt out, so I decided to begin my day with a walk to see if that would help, something I don't usually allow myself to do. I hadn't even done that much work yet, but was already feeling overwhelmed by the amount of things left to do to get us back out on the road. Plus, balancing repair work with seeing friends and family while here and having time for creative expression. Something I struggle with is accepting help from others, and I think I was now starting to really begin to feel the effects of that. There have been multiple times that Scobie, my aunt, or even random neighbors have offered to assist me, but something inside of me immediately turns them down. Now that I've become so acutely aware of this part of myself, I'm going to try my best to start accepting help that is offered, no matter how uncomfortable that may be for me. I also struggle with feeling rushed to complete things as quickly as possible. Many mornings, I don't even make myself breakfast and just jump right into working all day, neglecting my personal needs, so no wonder I was feeling so burnt out already. I tend to rush myself and get so hyper-focused on a project that I ignore everything else. I feel a huge sense of urgency to get us back out on the road and not waste time. But how could spending time with my friends and family, or learning and executing new skills that truly improve our life in the trailer, ever be a waste of time? I realize now that I'm the only one putting this pressure on myself. I find myself comparing our journey to other people I see online doing similar things to us, and I really want to work on letting go of that this year and being grateful for this present moment, the only thing that's actually real. 2022 was the year of learning to let go of control for us, but this would be the year of actually practicing that skill.
I'm sorry, did she say? But, I mean, and at least it's not, like, super difficult. It's just, like, tedious, So, I just had a mobile welder, come and look at the trailer frame, and he said that the trailer frame overall looks good, that it was built well. He kind of made some of my fears feel a little bit better because I posted my issue on the fiberglass trailer forum, and all the old timers are telling me that I need a new Scamp or that I need a new frame. And you know what? That might be true. Maybe a new frame would, I'm sure that would be a great idea. But the thing is I don't have the money. I can't afford that. That's why I do all this work myself. Now that the subfloor is out, he's going to be able to do a much better repair job than what we got done in Alaska. No disrespect to those dudes, they saved us. They're the reason we got home. But the floor was in the way and they just couldn't fully get to it like they needed to. He said that it looks good, it's built well, the other welds are holding up. It's just that for whatever reason, the front driver's side where the crack is, that whole area just isn't welded properly. It's missing a lot of welds because it's a drop frame trailer, so there's a lot of welds missing in the dropped down area. And on the passenger side, the part that cracked on the other side is like way more reinforced. The frame itself isn't fully symmetrical, which is odd. He said that's like not usually how it is. So he's gonna come back in a few days and he's gonna fix it all up, add some supports, grind down the old welds, redo them, and then reinforce the existing patch. So I'm so happy because for a second there I was afraid that the whole trailer was just lost or that none of the other repairs I'm doing matter, because if the frame is messed up, then today's the 23rd of December. I'm driving into the city later today to spend Christmas with Scobie and his family. And then at 8 a.m., the day after Christmas, we're getting our trailer frame welded, so we're gonna have to drive back to the city. But you know, I'm just so grateful that I found somebody to help me. I'm just looking forward to getting the trailer fixed, and I have just so much relief now knowing that all of this work was not for nothing.